Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is cost accounting. Cost, the amount of expenditure incur on our attribute to given thing. Cost represent source of the have been or must be sacrificed to attain particular objective. Cost a measurement in monetary term of the amount of resources used of the for the purpose. And costing is a technique and process of calculating the cost, the proper allocation of the expenditure in involving the collective of cost and every order, job processing, service and unit. Thus the costing simply means cost finding by any process of technique, cost of manufacturing a product plus cost of providing services. Cost accounting, the method of accounting of material, labor of manufacturing a product. Cost accounting is a formal system of accounting cost. Cost accounting is defined as a system of recording in accounts of material use and labor employed in manufacturing of a commodity. Cost accounting means a specialized application and the principal accounting in order to ascertain the cost of production and the marketing and making any unit of manufacturing. Cost counting, the application of cost counting and cost accounting principal method are technique of use to science and art of practice of cost control. Cost counting, cost counting, cost control and cost audit. Cost control, beside the ascertain the cost and the aim of cost accounting is also control of the cost. To achieve the aim, standard cost or budgeting cost is determined before standard of the production. During the process of production, effort are made that actual cost of the term does not exceed the predetermined standard of budgeted cost. Cost audit. Cost audit is a verification of cost account and a check of the principle of the cost accounting plan. Audit is described as a verification of accounts show as calculated their accuracy. Cost audit is a specified application of audit principle and produced in the field and cost accounting. It is an audit of efficiency and detail of the expenditure and the accounting base of the terms. These are the cost accounting and cost different types of cost accounting parts. Okay class, thank you.